Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your account is a business or creator, and that Instagram is linked to a Facebook page. Once done, pick a clear campaign objective, reach, traffic, or conversions, because the objective guides delivery and bidding. Next, set budget and schedule so platforms know pacing. Prepare a vertical 9/16 reel with a strong 3-second hook, captions for sound-off viewers, and a single clear CTA. This saves editing time and increases early engagement. Now you go into Ads Manager to create the ad set. Select Reels as a placement and confirm the objective and audience. Precise targeting improves relevance and lowers cost. Create 2 to 3 creative variants to /B test different hooks and CTAs because small changes reveal what drives performance. Set bid strategy and optimization event. Link to conversion if you have pixel data. Make sure to enable automatic placements for broader reach and monitor frequency to avoid ad fatigue. You're ready to launch. Start with a modest budget and review performance after 48 to 72 hours so data is statistically meaningful. Look at reach, CTR, CPC, and ROAS. Once you identify a winner, scale it 2 to 3 times while pausing underperformers. Rotate creatives monthly to fight ad fatigue and refresh messaging. If delivery stalls, troubleshoot by checking account permissions and add policy flags, and verify pixel events and audience overlaps. Fixing those usually restores normal delivery and tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.